Hi, I'm Dominika Grushetska, the Food and Consumer Products Market Manager here at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. At Shimadzu, our scientists and our customers routinely work with complex samples that can be really hard to clean up. We know that sample preparation is often the most challenging part of the entire process, and this is especially true for cannabis-containing products like candy and chocolate. We've developed a series of step-by-step instructions for sample prep with these products to help you plan your lab work. These processes were developed in collaboration with our partner, Sigma. So a special thank you to Dr. Sunil Badal and the Round Rock Lab. Let's head over to the lab bench where we will walk through the steps with an HPLC product specialist at our headquarters in Maryland. We will demonstrate and explain each step of the sample prep procedure along the way.
For our chocolate candy preparation, in a 50 ml centrifuge tube, weigh out 1 gram of chocolate and dissolve in 15 mils of hot water at about 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Please use caution when handling the water. After the candy is fully dissolved, we add 15 ml of acetonitrile and mix well by hand. Next, we add the salts, graciously provided by Sigma, to the centrifuge tube and vortex immediately for 1 minute. Note that the salts will coagulate if not vortexed immediately. After vortexing, the centrifuge tube is placed on an automatic shaker for 5 minutes and then moved to a centrifuge. The centrifuge should be set at 4,300 RPM for 6 minutes. Note, when centrifuging, you need to place tubes on the opposite sides of the rotor to create a balance. If you do not have an even number of samples, you can use a centrifuge tube filled with water at the same volume as your sample. After centrifuging, you will see a separation between organic and aqueous layers. Without disturbing the bottom layer, draw off the top organic layer and store it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours for the winterization process. After 3 hours, filter 450 microliters of sample directly into a filter vial. Lastly, you'll want to dilute your sample with methanol to make a 1:10 and 1:100 sample concentration.
Thank you so much to our HPLC team at SSI for the walkthrough. For more information on sample analysis and all the Shimadzu instrument lineup, visit us at growyourlab.com.